Bootstrap is a framework that makes the web development process much more efficient. The framework includes HTML and CSS-based design templates for typography, forms, buttons, tables, navigation, modals, and image carousels. Bootstrap also includes optional JavaScript plugins. By now, you likely have a working knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You'd also likely agree that styling your web page components using CSS can sometimes be time-consuming, especially if you have a page or website with many elements. Furthermore, developing responsive websites from scratch that are cross-browser compatible is a fairly challenging task that requires a thorough understanding of CSS and hours of intense testing. While Bootstrap significantly reduces these challenges and streamlines the development process. By utilizing the framework, we can simply use the components that are built in. For the most part, the styling, responsiveness, and cross-browser testing have already been done by developers. Bootstrap is an open source software and is one of the most popular frameworks available. It is widely used for even the most complex web applications. Some of the benefits of using Bootstrap include ease of use. Anybody with a basic understanding of HTML and CSS can use Bootstrap. Responsive features. Bootstrap layouts adjust for optimal viewing on all devices, including phones, tables, and desktops. Cross-browser compatibility. Bootstrap is compatible with all modern browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, and Opera.